Hello guys, today in this video I will teach you how to say do, does and did in Saudi Arabic. If you want to tell someone I do this every day, you can say أنا أسوي هذا كل يوم. أسوي in this sentence means I do. Likewise, if you want to say you do this every day, you can say أنت تسوي هذا كل يوم. Or he does, هو يسوي. She does, هي تسوي. We do, احنا نسوي. They do, هما يسوون. For the past tense, if you want to say I did that yesterday, you can say أنا سويت هذا أمس. سويت. سويت in this sentence mean I did. Also, if you want to say you did that yesterday, you can say أنت سويت هذا أمس. He did, هو سوى. She did, هي سوت. We did, احنا سوينا. They did, هما سووا. And that's it for today. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next video.